So the boys are playing in the river. I will not fail. There'll be some nice trout in there. You'll go downstream if you go in. Try and get across to the other side. You'll be alright. If you fall in, you'll go to that bit and I'll save you. Go on.
I will not fail.
This could be the concept we're looking for. Go on, get across. You can get to that big rock. You've got the cojones. I wouldn't put your hands in your pockets. Boys will be boys. Is anyone doing it or not? Why have you done that? Well, you're in now. Go on. Go on if you're doing it. Vesta, just get across. Why are you walking? Supposed to be going across, not forward. Ultimate fail. Get across now. Get across. You'll have to go now you're in. Go on. Be careful. Are you coming back or are you going? Go on. Lean forward onto the rock. Lean forward and put your hands on the rock. Lean forward and put your hands. Go on, you're doing it now. Lean forward. Lean all the way. You can do it. There you go. Now walk round to the right. To the right. Yeah, what? You can. Be careful. Get on with it now. You've got to do something now. We can't get you. Don't fall backwards, whatever you do. Sylvester, hurry up. It's making me nervous now. You've got to do something. Traverse round like that. Walk round. You want to go that way? Come on, hurry up. Come on. Use your strength. There you go. Power. Honour. Come on. Push. There you go. That's what you're dealing with. Come on. Don't fall in as you're going downstream. Are you coming back now? Come back, Dennan. Come back. Right, that's to go up the hill and meet us around there. Dennan, come back. Dennan, you failed. Dennan, we're going. No, you're going. Come back. Dennan. Vesta made it. Well done, Vesta. Listen, they're attempting things in the most safest environment with supervision. It's better than them doing it on their own with nobody here. The curiosity of it. I know, but boys will be boys, so at least we're here and we're there to be. You've got one choice.
There's no way it's possible. There's not enough.
What?
Boys will be boys.
I know. Well, it is, but at least we're here to supervise, and if they ever came on their own, and they haven't scratched that itch. They're going to do it when we're not here, so at least he's got across. Well, I was a boy once and we did things without supervision and got in a lot of danger, so they're a lot safer than I was when I used to come here as a kid. See you later. Careful, Vest. Let Vesta up safely. Give me a hand. Well done. Go on. Vesta's done it. Look at that. Go on, I've got you. You up safe. We'd have done that without my gran being here, so they've had safety and we've watched them and he did it well done, were you? Clap for Vest. Well done. I see him nod there.
Let's do a video of this.
Who's that? Who's that?
Supervision friend. Let's do a video.
Are you doing the world's wettest wellies?
Yeah.
Yeah. Vesta's version of the world's wettest wellies. Just it takes 6 months to do the video.
Yeah.
Come on, Lord of Swede. Say it.
Welly 1. This is Welly 1.
Well done. Right, we've got a queue here now, so come on. Well done that you put your foot on the stone rather than the mud.
This is Welly 2.
And these are the world's wettest wellies like Dad's.
Yeah.
Come on, hurry up.
Well,
Let's get... Well, we've got a long way to go yet. A lot of people to see. Come on, Beth, we're blocking the path, son.
Wait. How?
Go on, say it.
Second.
Oh, that one was a lot more. Well done, let's go.
Could you do it to me?
You failed.
You got yes.